First you think the thing, then plan the thing, then do the thing. No, wait, you don't do the thing till you've had weeks to procrastinate. Then you do the thing and fix the thing till it's just right to share. And this is where your insecurity creeps in and makes you doubt whether this looks good at all, or if this was even a good idea, or if others have done it better, or... And so it never sees the light of day.
There.
What the is this?
Watch your profanity.
Right, I'm sorry.
Y'all are going to make me lose my mind. Up in hill? Up in hill. Fuck! Jacob, keep your shirt on!
No!
I do parkour.
What do you do?
I do parkour.
You do?
I do parkour.
Get it! Oh, fuck!
Hey! What?
Your car behind. Grab one. Click it. Rip it. Up to 200 scale miles per hour.
Calling Apple, this is Jamie. Can I get
To
your
talk to a
customer?
customer, please press 1.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me.
Hey, Ron.
Hey, Billy. That hurt. I tell everyone that my personality has 2 speeds. One is -5. And the other one is about 210.
Anybody want coffee? I'll make a coffee. Anybody want? Who wants coffee? Coffee? Anybody? Well, I'm making it now. Come and get it. You want coffee? Who wants coffee? Anybody want coffee? I'm making the coffee. What do you want? I even got coffee to go. Who wants coffee? Anybody want coffee? Here's your coffee. Drink your coffee. I'll have decaf.
So this girl asked me what I can do with my fingers, right? Alright, let me show you. First, you wash your hands. Because corona. Second, moisturize. After your fingers are all moisturized and lubey, you take your 2 fingers like this and you freaking flip to the Bible where it says thou shalt not be the hoe.
Holy shit, that's fucking wicked.
I have no soul. Have a nice day.
I don't have one either.
Soon we'll have collected all the crystals and the Dark King will rise again!
Are you my first boss fight?
Yeah! Who are you?
Someone who did all the side quests first.
Holy sh...
When we applied to be girls, went to the girl counter and they hold your girl card up and they go, "What's your favorite season?" And you go, "It's fall, motherfucker." And they're like, "All right. Here's your girl card, here's your Uggs, here's your glitter, go have fun, be insecure."
Day 5 of quarantine, we're going to keep working every day until my daughter can say fox.
Fuck.
Fox.
Fuck.
No. What is this?
Fuck.
Fox. What's that?
Fuck.
Fox?
Fuck.
Fox?
Fuck.
Try again tomorrow.
Remy, come. Remy, sit. Speak.
Fuck!
Good boy.
Hey, yo, what's up, girl?
Yep.
Stop. Stop it. Run.
You will never listen to this song the same way again.
There we go. Oh, that worked. Ready?
United States, Canada, Mexico, Panama, Haiti, Jamaica, Peru, Republic, Dominican, Cuba, Caribbean, Greenland, El Salvador, too, Puerto Rico, Colombia, Venezuela, Honduras, Guyana, and still Guatemala, Bolivia, then Argentina, and Ecuador, Chile, Brazil, Costa Rica, Belize, Nicaragua, Bermuda, Bahamas, Tobago, San Juan, Paraguay, Uruguay, Suriname, and French Guiana, Barbados, and Guam.
Monkey on the car. Monkey on the car. Fuck off.
Oh, no.
You need to worry about me. I just need to worry about me. And don't mind the yelling. I yell when I'm nervous.
I keep cursing in ice cream flavors and my mom has told me to stop. Update. I still haven't stopped.
How do you curse in ice cream flavors?
What the mint chocolate chip did you say to me, punk? I'll kick your rocky road and then punch the ever-loving strawberry cheesecake out of you!
Are they helium balloons?
Oh,
yeah, I told you the cars are helium balloons. It's too late. Oh, we're flying away.
I don't have a ding-dong. My bagel bites!
Alright. I won't touch anything.
As I was saying, it's got a 54 giga. Get your hand away from that button! You will kill it!
As you know, I keep a list of all my friends in order of how likely they are to betray me. We've established this.
Where am I on the list?
Well, I can't tell you that because then you'll quickly move up or down depending on your reaction.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading.
What kind of?
Oh no.
What kind of overalls does Mario wear?
I don't know.
Denim.
It's a hard knock blood, and death.
All right, you know what, you're milking it.
Hello and welcome to hell. I'm just going to be finding where to put you by judging your sins and oh my. Oh, I see. Well then. Hey guys, new bosses here. Do whatever the hell they say.
The gate tell is called. Gaze not upon the Eyes that glimpse the will be blinded by the. Speak not of the mouth which utters will be made speechless by the. Listen not to the those who heed the.
Attention shoppers, the time is 8:45. We will be closing in 15 minutes. If you have not left the store by the time the doors lock, you will be hunted for sport.
She eats with chopsticks and a spoon, so she is very multicultural.
What the hell? They have spoons in Japan, dude. How else are they supposed to eat soup, Dan?
Very quickly with chopsticks.
Soup's a huge.
Who wants to join me in my bed?
We can build a pillow fort. We.
Go to your room! I'm already in my room!
Take a closer look at that snout.
Somebody come get her!
Hey, have you ever watched Supernatural? No, tell me about it. Well, it's kind of like a mix of Ghostbusters and Scooby-Doo. Okay, how so? Well, there are these two brothers, Sam and Dean, that go around the country saving people from monsters and ghosts. Sounds pretty cool. Anything else? Well, they also have angels and demons from the Bible. Ah, so it's educational. Oh yeah, and all the main characters die. What? Dude, spoilers! No, it's okay. They all come back to life. Wait, really? Oh yeah, like multiple times. Wait, they die more than once? Oh yeah, there's also an episode with a racist monster truck. How does that work? Oh yeah, and one of the angels is gay. Wait, an angel being gay? Isn't that like against the rules or something? The Bible never said anything about angels being gay, only people. Huh. Well, are there any gay people? Oh yeah, one of the main characters, he's gay for the gay angel. Okay, what are you watching?
If you do decide to leave, you will not be allowed access back on board, and parachutes are not included. Here at Frontier Airlines, we like to keep up with all the latest fashion trends. In the event that this flight becomes a cruise, all of you lucky people get your own itsy-bitsy, teeny-weeny yellow polka dot bikinis beneath your seat. Minus the itsy-bitsy, teeny-weeny, and you get no polka dots. Once you're outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab that's on the front, or for those of you who love to make life difficult, you can blow into that red tube near your shoulder to bloat. I mean inflate. The beautiful bikini is equipped with a water-activated light. How in the world that works, I have no idea. So if you figure it out, please do let me know. And if by chance yours does not inflate, well, grab your neighbor and hold on for dear life. The location and use of life vests for your child that shows the most potential is located in that safety information card. If needed due to a loss of cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment over your head. Ignore those and grab your nearest flight attendant to get some air. I'm just kidding. I'm so lonely. Once you stop screaming, place that mask over your nose and your mouth. To adjust, pull on the elastic tabs on either side. Make sure to adjust your own mask before assisting your favorite child, another passenger, or your husband who's definitely screaming louder than you are. And let's be honest, only those of you that pay the extra $49.99 get any oxygen. Smoking of any kind is not allowed on the aircraft. Unless you're like me and you're smoking hot. Thank you so much for your attention. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight to Colorado Springs. And for those of you who didn't give us your full attention, good luck.
This season, we're asking 6 big questions. On this episode, how smart are animals?
Prono and fruites incorrectly. Pinna peoples. Papa yeah. Bananas. Cancela poops. Champagne man juice. What the? You will remove your helmet and tell me your name. My name is Stuart, and I design armor. Clink clink.
What's inside the ball that pops? What's inside the ball that pops is... Wow! It's Hercules. It's Simba.
It's free real estate.
How about them app? To me.
Oh, you want to know how to make a fresh meme? Well, let me show you. First, you take an oversaturated hallway, fill it with shadow demons, and then add some text like, me and the boys at 2 a.m. looking for beats!
Something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob.
Naked grandma!
Naked, huh?
I don't want to see that either.
Let me see what you have. No!
Oh my God, why does he have Josh, go put those corn dogs back.
You can't make me do anything.
She's a wolf in mouse clothing. The mouse's ghostly howl stakes claim to.
Alright, let's check the patch notes for The Sims 3. Grim Reaper will no longer be prevented from reaping souls due to band affiliation. Fixed a tuning issue so that Sims now vomit at acceptable levels. It is no longer possible to try for baby with a Grim Reaper. Become enemies with child wish no longer appears. Sims who are on fire will no longer be forced to attend graduation before they can put themselves out. Pregnant Sims can no longer brawl. Baby Sims will no longer become stuck on a Sim's hand while driving a car. Sims will no longer receive a wish to skinny dip with mummies. A meteor can hit a building, which case everyone will run out before the collision. Those who do not exit the building will die. Sims automatically leave if a meteor is approaching unless it is a school in which children are not allowed to leave and will always die.
I didn't get no sleep because of y'all. Y'all not gonna get no sleep because of me. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me.
Diabetes.
Snap back to reality.
What's your profanity?
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
What are you doing?
I'm not smoking crack.
Don't lie to me.
No, I am smoking crack.
That was easy.
Alexander, I bet you can't get your finger to touch your elbow.
No.
I can't.
That's impossible.
This is not the path I expected you to take. Alex, take your finger and touch your elbow.
I don't want someone to stand up there with me.
That's impossible. Nobody can do that, baby.
Take your finger and touch your elbow.
One eternity later.
Baby, please help me.
Help you? It's as simple as taking your finger and touching your elbow.
I can't. It's not simple.
Alexander.
Oh. I knew that. I was just testing you.
False alarm, false alarm.
Where's Batch?
Even the babies are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, so I built this cage to keep them secure so there's no possible— oh my god.
Run.
Wake the fuck up!
Playing football blind.
Anything's possible.
Thanks, Arthur.
You got this, Travis. Make him wait for it. Boom.
Morality, repeat after me. Adulthood. 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 Awesome. Name the process of becoming an adult. Adultery. No.
My guy friends have asked me a lot. Why do women take such hot showers and baths? Well, gentlemen, Let me explain. We women take such hot showers and baths because it reminds us of the pits of hell from whence we came.
You are my best friend. We will go for walkies, and we will go on a picnic, and we will have so much fun forever and ever and ever. Stop.
When it's your wife's time of month, Mother of God.
Somebody touch my spaghetti!
Allie, I bet you $50 I can make you clean my room with one word.
Bet.
Steven.
Who's Steven? No, seriously.
I hate you, Colby.
Who's Steven?
Nobody. Nobody!
Hey! What?
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Good job, man.
Oh! What? Right into your mind. Deja vu. I just been in this place before, higher on the street, and I know it's my time
To the dots.
Hi, this is Chuck Storm. I'm live at the scene where last night there was a robbery at about 3:30 in the morning. Now, police have... Oh, God.
You do it.
Bye.
Perhaps it is the context in which words are spoken that give them the power or meaning. I love you, dog!
Today, I'm going to teach you how to face your fears. Now, the first step to facing your fears is...
This is BBC World News. I'm Jonathan Charles, kept hidden for almost 2 decades and forced to bear children.
I'm going to jail!
Magic.
Do I look?
Stop.
This is just a quick little tip on how to fall asleep in under 2 seconds every night.
Oh, they gave me clown juice instead of Coke.
Oh, I got my exotic butters! Yes! And I buttered my popcorn from all around the world. Oh, the sweet taste of Whoa. Well, ain't this just a son of a bitch? I'm gonna wait till the end of these credits here and then see if there's anything there, and then I'll say my goodbyes, so I'll see you then. Any day now, any day now. Hi, I'd like to place an order for pickup. mark. It's been 20 minutes! It's been 20 minutes! Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? I have food waiting for me. The credits have been going on so long that the music stopped. And these credits are unskippable, mind you. Even if you press escape, even if you press start on the gamepad,